Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play Rewrite the Stars on Ukulele Full Guide. Tune your ukulele to standard GC, use a capo if needed, and learn the chord shapes first. Start with slow downstrokes to master the rhythm before adding the melody. Practice chord transitions in 4-bar loops and count out loud to stay in time. Focus on the song's groove and keep sessions short and deliberate for steady progress. Start by learning the main chords, C, G, M, F, and occasional M for smoother turns. Place fingers cleanly on frets and strum slowly while ensuring notes ring clearly. Use a metronome to increase tempo gradually, aiming for steady strumming at performance speed. Break the song into sections like verse, pre-chorus, and chorus, and isolate tricky parts. Repeat short phrases until transitions are fluid and comfortable. Record yourself to spot timing issues. Hey friends, if you're enjoying the lesson, please subscribe and like to support more ukulele guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make practice breaks easier, keep snacks fresh, and avoid messy strings. They stack neatly, seal tight, and save time between sessions, which is great when rehearsing long chord changes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a set if it helps your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Work on the principal strumming pattern with a relaxed wrist and consistent down-up motion to match the song's pulse. Practice the melody on single strings using a pick or fingerstyle and loop short phrases until smooth. Sing along quietly while playing to lock vocal phrasing with chord changes, starting slow then increasing tempo. Use dynamics to bring out the chorus and pause to fix spots that feel rushed. Keep practice sessions focused and fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.